kids. Paz, your dad and I have something to tell you.
Are we finally getting a puppy?
They look too serious for that, dummy. You know we love you both very much, right? And that will never change.
Oh, you're right. Did Grandma die?
Would you like the good news first or the bad news first?
Good
Bad
news.
news. It's not going to be easy on any of us, but your mom and I are here for you. I can't tell them. You tell them. I think we should tell them together. Are you guys like getting a divorce?
What's a divorce?
Okay, we'll say it on the count of three. Okay. One, two, three. We're moving. I don't like breaking bad news to the kids.
Like to a castle? I'm off to school, Mother.
Have a good day at school.
I'm home from school, Mother.
Oh, you're home?
Mother, what's all this?
We are moving.